Okay, so now let's create our Pinterest graphic. So first, let's go to Uploads, here in the left section on the bottom. Click Uploads and then click Upload your own images. Remember, we want feminine styled stock photos for this design. So let's just upload one of these images that we have. So I'm going to upload this one by Wonderfeel. And then let me drag this here. Then let's resize it to make it bigger. Now I want to flip this image. I want this flower design to go on the bottom. For that, click here on the top left section, and this is what it looks like if you flip horizontally, or you can flip it vertically. So I want this flower on the bottom. Now we're going to copy a design that we've made before. Okay, so this is what I want. 5 tips to skyrocket your motivation. Next, let's go back here to the left section and click on Elements, and then go here to Shapes. So you can see here, these 3 photos look great. Okay, just click here on Shapes. So let's just drag this circle here and let's make it smaller. Next, I want to change the color of the circle. So I just click that and then I go here on the color picker. So we want to match the color. It has to be pink. So we can just click that and choose pink. And now let's go to the text section. Click here on the left side, click text and then click on Add Heading. So there's going to be heading here and then drag it here to the circle and put the number 5 because we're copying this 5 tips to skyrocket your motivation. Now we want to make the size bigger. So just highlight the number 5 and then click the font size and then let's make it bigger. To change the color, I will highlight it again and then I want this to be white. Now we want to change the font. So let's highlight this number 5 and then go here on font and change this to League Spartan. So now that looks better. Next, we want to add another text. So let's go here again on the text and the left section and then click Add Heading. We're going to type 5 tips to, but since we've used League Spartan, we're going to change the font again. So I just highlight this and then choose the font League Spartan. And I increase its size to make it a bit bigger. Then you want to copy this again. But let's just change the text or just highlight the text. Add another heading. And then we're going to put motivation here. But we want this motivation to be in cursive. So let's just highlight that and change the text to Pacifico because it looks really good if you need a cursive style. Next, we want to make the font bigger. Here, and we can also change the color. For that, let's go to the color picker. Let's change it to pink. Okay, as you can see, this looks very nice. So now, we just want to add the shape here. For that, let's go to Elements on the left section. Click Element and then click on this square shape. Let's drag it to the bottom because we're going to make a placeholder for our website. Click here on the left text and then click Add Subheading. And let's put our website here, but it should be white because the background is black. So let's just highlight that and go to the color picker and click white. As you can see here, that now looks nice, right? So this is an example of a good Pinterest pin. It looks very attractive and it's a long pin. Remember, on Pinterest, the eye-popping colors are usually pink, black and white, and long pins are best suited. So once you're done, just click download and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. And now we can see this is what it looks like.